Good evening to all. I hope I am audible. Yes, good evening to all. Kindly reply quick. Chaliye. So let's get to work. Now we are here to have something very interesting actually. This is, you can see, it is mastering calculations. See, if you can put it simple. If you think of, say, CAT, you might have some fair idea of the CAT exam which took place this year. So obviously the number of questions were reduced as compared to last year because of basically the increase of, you can say, time slots. So earlier there were 2 time slots, but this year they increased to 3. So that's why they decreased, you can say, the number of questions. But honestly, the level did not decrease. The level was retained as it is. So for that, to be honest, what I could observe, that you should be really, really good at calculations, which will be very helpful in getting your DI done. When I say DI, yes, I do agree that sometimes, sets are tough in terms of, say, logic. But you will always find 1 or 2 sets which are dealing with what you call as calculations. So you can come across that set definitely, wherein you can increase your speed by, first of all, you can say, learning a few things which you might have or you may have in mind, you can say. I'll begin the discussion with first thing which you should be good at, wonderful at, you should be champions of that. First is the tables. Yes. So if I'm talking to a few engineers sitting there right now, they must agree that the machine known as calculator, yes, it has actually destroyed your calculation ability, which you could have done individually or alone without the machine. Yes, take yourself back to your, say, +1, +2. You can say before your engineering where calculator was not used. Yes, guys, share with me your experience. Don't you think that today calculator has actually, what you can say, handicapped us, because we are so very dependent on the machine that we don't trust ourselves even. But we have to ensure that you just remove this calculator and you can do it, no problem. First thing has to be tables. Tables from 12 to 19 are must to be done, and that too at a very good pace, because you won't be asked directly the tables, but yes, their applications can come directly, indirectly, followed by what you call as squares. Yes, 1 to 40. I can say this is too much, but you need to learn. That will really help you increase your speed. Then third thing that comes into mind is what you call as cubes, which means cubes to be done from 1 to 25. ये सब तो करना ही होगा to get things at least in place. So a few things that I will add on. First of all, these things are to be done by each one of you, come what may. They help a lot. But there are a few more things which we'll be dealing now. So I'm erasing this. I hope it's noted. Yes. Tables from 12 to 19, squares from 1 to 40, and cubes from 1 to 25. Now, before we proceed ahead, I can share you a little bit of myself. Basically, I am Deepak, and I have done engineering way back in 96. And from 99 onwards, from 96, basically, I did MTech and then MBA. And after MBA, from 99 onwards, I'm into CAT teaching. And primarily I have around 22 years of experience in teaching CAT people. Along with that, I have taken CAT myself 14 times. So experience is with us, no worry. So absolutely no problem. I have taken CAT myself, I told you. So to get that in-hand exposure of the thing which you actually are facing, वो हमारे perspective से भी उसको देखना होता है. So that's why the reason I've told you I have taken the paper. So अब आते हैं calculations पे, थोड़ा आगे बढ़ते हैं. So you can go through something important. वो ये है, पढ़िए first thing. If you want to increase a number by X%, which is say 10, 20, 30, कुछ भी हो सकता है, just read. If a number is increased by 10%, it becomes 1.1. Suppose the number is A. You want to increase it by 10%, आप क्या करेंगे? A as it is plus A का 10% उसी में add कर देंगे. That will give you 1.1 A, which means 1.1 times हो गया उसी का. Same for 20%, 1.2 हो जाएगा, and 30% 1.3, and so on. This thing makes the things fast. What next? On the same lines, after increase, we can share for decrease. You want to decrease a number by X%, same logic. So the number is A. You want to decrease by 10%, क्या करेंगे हम? A में से 10% A का ही हम subtract करेंगे. So A minus 10% of A will give you 0.9 A, or you can say 90% of A. Similarly, if you decrease by 20%, it becomes 0.8 times, 0.7 times. इसी को हम ऐसे understand कर सकते हैं कि कहीं ना कहीं the discount is being offered. Yes or no? We go for shopping and we get a discount. So if we get a discount of 10%, that means the commodity will be available to us at 90% of its cost. Yes or no? This is simple and straight. किसी चीज पे 20% कम होगा तो 80% चार्ज किया जाएगा. किसी चीज पे 30% डिस्काउंट देंगे तो 70% चार्ज होगा. उससे भी अंडरस्टैंड हो सकता है. This is simple. 0.9, 0.8, 0.7 and so on. Right? Small little things, but very effective and helpful. इसके बाद हम थोड़ा सा approximation पे चलते हैं, जिसकी आपको बहुत जरूरत रहेगी. DI में बहुत ज्यादा रोल रहता है. Finding 10% and 1%, obviously, by the look of it, this sounds very easy. But when you talk of approximation, right? क्योंकि calculations करनी है, calculator हाथ में नहीं है, और सब कुछ you can say mentally करना है. We are not to write anything. We have to simply find the answer without, you can say, writing anything. For example, 10%. I'll give it a simple question. Say we have 436. A number 436. What would be its 10%? Yes, quick. What do we mean by 10% actually? Yes. Please 10 upon 100 into 436 नहीं करेंगे हम. 10% का मतलब रहेगा just put a decimal at one place from right. So I'm getting a few answers. Chetan, Mansi, आपका आंसर दोनों का ठीक है, but my question was, did you approximate? Yeah. Shivani, same question. Did you approximate, guys? You did not. What is approximation of 436? Can I say it is 44? You did not approximate. You gave me exact answer 43.6. तो अब तो मैं अगर आपको question देता हूं, just imagine a question, then things would be really interesting. Question is find 12.4%, ऐसा कुछ solve नहीं करेंगे, of 436.37. अब आप क्या करने वाले हैं? Yes, just think. ये क्वेश्चन देख के तो you know you will leave the question. You won't solve it because ये हो गया ना, इसमें तो टेंशन बहुत आ गई. 12.4 डिवाइड बाय 100 into 436.37. Oh. Yes or no? This is done. No. How to approach? यही हमने सीखना है. So पहली चीज approximation. 436, 10% is 44. Just keep in mind that if you find it exactly, it is 43.6. तो उससे थोड़ा आगे होगा या पीछे होगा. बस ये एक decision है which you need to take at that very point. लेकिन in maximum 2 seconds. You are not to think on PhD, please. This is approximation. On the same lines, ये questions ऐसे आएंगे आपको, कोई issue नहीं है. ये आपको अगर कहेंगे तो मैं आपको करवा दूंगा, इसमें कोई problem नहीं है. Then next thing could be 1%. अब 1% क्या होगा? Yes, please. What is 1% of 436? Yes, quick. You should say 4. Yes, Mansi. अब बनी बात. Yes, स्वाति. सागर आपने फिर मेरे को एग्जैक्ट आंसर दिया. अप्रोक्सीमेट आंसर चाहिए. 436. What is 1%? 4.3, which is written as 4. That's it. Because we have to cut down on our calculations. Right? So एक आधा क्वेश्चन मैं आपको देता हूं. Just imagine, can you think? Find, say 38.3% of 386.12. Think on this question. Tell me quickly, how would you approximate this? Yeah. Go ahead. And I'm assuming that there is no calculator in anyone's hand. Nidhi, 1/3 से थोड़ा ज़्यादा is not good approximation. The reason is 1/3 is 33 1/3, whereas what I am asking is 38.3. So काफी difference है. Yes, Nidhi, slightly इसको और close ले जाने की कोशिश कीजिए. And I need a value. Value, please. कोई वैल्यू दीजिए, फिर मैच करेंगे. आर वी करेक्ट? अब चेतन से 154, सत्यम का आंसर आ रहा है 160. काफी डिफरेंस आ रहा है दोनों में. लेट्स सी व्हाट निधि हैज टू से. ओके, प्राप्ति का आंसर आ रहा है 71. बहुत फर्क है. कहां 71, कहां 154? ओके, 129 प्लस 19, that is 148. Okay, lot of versatility. चलिए, I'll solve. See, one thing is clear. When you do calculations and without a calculator, you are basically approximating. And when you approx, there is no right answer and there is no wrong answer. You can say we need to look at the best answer. ये याद रखिएगा, जब भी कभी आप कैलकुलेशंस करेंगे, अप्रोक्सीमेशंस करेंगे, तो हमें एग्जैक्ट आंसर नहीं चाहिए, हमें बेस्ट आंसर चाहिए. फॉर दैट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, कैन यू राइट दिस एज 38? कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, नो प्रॉब्लम. ऑफ 386.12 can definitely be written as 386. Will hardly make a difference. You are still very close, right? अब आप छोटा सा जो अप्रोक्सीमेशन करेंगे वो क्या है? That is 38% can be written as 40% minus 2%. This is some little smart work we have to do very carefully, because ultimately we have to stay nearby the exact answer. The other day I was just observing, so some students, they converted just this 38 to 40 and they solved. I'm sorry, that's wrong. Because आपने थोड़ा ज्यादा अप्रोक्सीमेट कर दिया. हमें क्लोज रहना है, बहुत ज्यादा नहीं करना है, बिकॉज ऑप्शंस उस हिसाब से हो सकती हैं. सो नाउ वी गो विद +5 is okay. Yeah, Nidhi, no problem, perfect. 33 आपने 1/3 ले लिया, this is fine, and you added 5%, it's absolutely okay, no problem. So what is 10% of 386? Yes guys, quick, approximation only, exact answer नहीं चाहिए. Yes, is it 39? 38.6 should be 39 on the other side, right? So on the same lines, give me guys 1%. Yes, so it is 1% of 386. Quick. 1% of 386 fast. Is it 4? Yes, it is. Perfect. So ab nikalenge 40%. If 10% is 39, can I say 40 will be 156? Yes. Minus, if 1% is 4, 2% will be 8. So what is 156 minus 8? How much is that? 148. Well done. Now, one thing can be further just, you can say, enhanced. You have 38.3, which you took 38, 386.12, which you took 386. But no problem, because 10% we took 39, no problem, perfect, and 1% we took 4. So I think we are very, very close to the exact answer. Yes, Mansi, 149 is equally good, no problem. जो आंसर्स इससे बहुत ज्यादा इधर उधर हैं, that should be taken as wrong, I should say. 149 is fine, no problem. But if I say 160 something, no, that would not be taken. Yes, kuch clarity hui how to approach these, how to calculate things fast. Otherwise, this is a horrible question. Just imagine 38.3% of 386.12 won't be easy. On the first look, you feel like I'm not doing it. But with approximation, we are very close to the exact answer. And the fact is, we actually do not need the exact answer. We should be lying as far as possible, close to that. Kuch clarity hui how to work? Yes. Very important. How to find 10%, 1% and its applications. Very, very important. This is where your actual preparation should start always. So moving on, let's have some practice. इसी चीज को थोड़ा सा और enhance करते हैं. Yeah. Give me these 5 answers, guys, quick. All 5 answers, Satyam. All 5. All 5. Three answers achieved, okay. 2 more. I hope nobody is using calculator. Yes. Not allowed actually. Be honest. तेज हाथ चलाइए please. As fast as you can. निधि आपके 4 आंसर आ गए कि 3 आए अभी? Yes. How many have you answered? All 5. Where is the 5th one? I'm not able to see. Okay. Where is the 5th one? Right. Yeah, देख लिया. ठीक है. Perfect. Yeah. So, good one. This is how you actually work. Nice. Let's see. First of all, I'm writing the answers. 20% of 681 should be 136. Please check. This should be 276. Yes. This should be. Yes, everyone, tell me. 129. This is 232. And this is 350. Please match. एक आधा ऊपर नीचे चलेगा, no problem. Yes? And just imagine that you have done something different today in 10 minutes. Oh, great, Nidhi, क्या बात है, बहुत ही बढ़िया. This is, you can say, the important learning, how to calculate and how what is not to be done is more important than what is to be done. Yes? क्या नहीं करना वो ज्यादा क्रूशियल है rather than क्या करना है. चलिए, how to work? Simple. My main focus is on fifth question. 90% of 389. Yes, guys, how to solve this? How will you get 90% of 389 in 5 seconds? Yes. 100 minus 10? No. Or better is simple. Yeah. 389. You need 90. What is 10% of 389? What is 389 cut 10%? Is it 39? No, 80 plus 10 is a lot of hard work, Mansi. No smart work in that. Smart work is this. Find 10% of 389, which is how much? 39. Simply subtract 39 from 389. That should be 350. Question done. Yes? And how will you find 15%, guys? Yes. 15. Nidhi, you have done fantastic job. Yes. So, yakin nahi ho raha kya? This is surprising. Nidhi, good work. So, यही तरीका है करने का. 15%, yes. 15% means 10% plus 5%. Yes. What is 10% of 80? This 864? What is 10% of 864, guys? Quick. Can we put 86? Simple. Plus 5% means half of 86. Because if 10 is 86, 5 is how much? 43. How much is that? Is it 129? Yes. So simple, straightforward. क्या कहते हैं, everyone? I hope you are able to get this all in place and at fast pace. It is not to be done slow. Nice. Let's have one more set of 5 questions. Quick. उसमें भी यही करना है. थोड़ा सा values थोड़ा मुश्किल हो सकती हैं. Yeah. Go ahead. All 5. Nidhi, same performance to repeat. Yes, Nidhi, I hope you're listening. Jaldi. $400? ये किसका आंसर है निधि? 400 किसका आंसर है? Not one by one. Go all 5. Quick. घड़ी देखो everyone. How to work? Listen. घड़ी देखो. 5 questions. Maximum 2 minutes. Go ahead. All 5. Okay. So Deepak is also attending. Nice. We share the same name. I am writing the answer. First is 12. Please match. Satyam. How can it be 11% of 842 is 857? Oh. कैसे? चलिए. I'll put it 92. 67. Please match. This is 151 and 212. Yes, guys, quick. Swati got one wrong. Yes, Satyam is still giving me the answer in decimals. Oh no, I don't need that, please. Please check, all of you, quick. Kaisa raha? How was it? Simple, 3% of 413. What is 1%? 4. What we want, 3. Mansi, perfect, well done. So 1% is 4, 3% 12. No problem, no problem. 11%, how to find 11? Yes, guys. 11 would be 10 plus 1. 9 would be 10 minus 1. Absolutely. 21 is 20 plus 1. These thoughts, bus. Nothing much. 52 is, yes, 50% plus 2%. This is the proper approach of handling these questions. अब आप बताइए, anyone you would like to discuss with me, or are we done? I don't think actually. बोलिए जल्दी, quick. All of you, fast. मेरे को कोई करने हैं? Anyone you feel like you took more time, or you want to say wrong answer or what? Anything? I think Swati got one wrong. If I'm, yeah, Swati got 136. I hope it's corrected, Swati. Satyam, hold on. Things are changing now. Yes, you got it correct, Swati. इसमें हो गया 21% निकाल लिया, ठीक. Nidhi, don't worry. I'll arrange that. No worries. Okay? Yes, Nidhi, don't worry. I'll keep in mind. Okay, this was nice. So now, let's proceed ahead with something even more interesting. Percentage change. Very important when you calculate, and when you calculate at a very fast pace, you need to be very good at this. What is this percentage change? Please remember, it's very simple. Suppose it is a value which is 20, say, has become 25. So can I say it has increase of 5 on 20, express as percentage? That should give you 25%. This was so easy, obviously. What I did, this is increase, this is initial value 20, and this is final value 25. What is the formula for percentage change? Please remember, it is final value minus initial value by initial value expressed as percentage. कुछ बातें ध्यान रखिएगा when you handle these questions. First is, जितना denominator कम होगा, answer उतना ही ज्यादा होगा. And for every question dealing with percentage change, we always work through options, because options basically tell us how much to approximate, करना भी है या नहीं जरूरत है. ये सारे decisions हम लेंगे options go through करने के बाद. Right? Formula is clear. Remember, जितना denominator, the basic fundamental when you handle these questions, जितना denominator कम होगा, आंसर उतना ही आपका ज्यादा होगा, and vice versa. That is, if your denominator is more, answer would always be less. So keep in mind these two basic things while handling these questions. बाकी कोई दिक्कत आएगी, we are here, no worries. चलिए quickly. Okay, try this. Formula I've given you, it's standard y minus x upon x into 100. Yeah, go ahead. Options in front of you, quick. Let's see how you work. Let's see. Nidhi has done it so fast. I don't think you have written anything. बहुत ही बढ़िया. Antennas are working very good. Nice. I have obtained 2 answers. Oh, great. Nice. सो सभी का ऑप्शन डी आ रहा है, तो आई फील मेरा भी फिर डी ही होना चाहिए. लेट्स सी करना क्या है. प्लीज ऑब्जर्व व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस. 468 518 कितना डिफरेंस है? हाउ मच इज इट? 50? यस, एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंस अपॉन हाउ मच? 468, initial value 468 into 100. Now you need to just wait here for a second. Do not start dividing 5000 by 468. This is not to be done. What is to be done? Keep an eye on the denominator, guys. Everyone, what's your denominator? 468? Yes. What is 10% of 468? What I'm doing is I'm just keeping my numerator in mind and working accordingly. Yes, what is 10% of 468? 47. Yes. Or just for a second, you can write 46.8, will not make any difference. Now just go through the numerator, please. How much is that? What is the numerator? 50. Yes. So can I say if 10% is 47, don't you think 50 will be definitely greater than 10%? Yes or no? Boliye. Is it clear what I'm saying? Yes, quick. If 10% is 47, can I say 50 is any day more than 10%? So out of these options, which is more than 10 but lies close to 10, it has to be option D. That's your answer. No calculation, nothing, no division, kuch nahi. Fine. And options will actually help you in getting the answer very fast. हमने इसमें कुछ भी नहीं किया, आपके सामने है. Yes. So this is how you work. Just keep in mind denominator उसका निकाला 10%, which is 47. So answer has to be more than 47. That's it. Question done. Next. Yeah. This is very easy. Option C. Just see. What is the difference? Yes, guys, quick. What is the difference? Is it 1, 1, 1? Follow? Difference is 1, 1, 1. On what? 6, 6, 6. Don't you think? This is 1 upon 6. And what is 1 upon 6? 16.67%. Question is over. So easy. Yes. Difference kitna hai? 1, 1, 1 on 6, 6, 6. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Question done in 3 seconds. Right? Shall I proceed? Chaliye. Let's see what next. Okay. Now, y is too big. That is, x is initial value, but your final value, that is y, is very high. So in that case, how to handle? This is important. Just go through this. When something is doubled, there is an increase of 100%. Obviously, just imagine if 1 has become 2. Yes, if 1 has become 2, can I say it's an increase of 1 on 1 when you express its percentage? That's 100%. On the same lines, if something is tripled, 3 गुना हो गई, 3 में क्या होगा? Yes, 1 has become कितना? 3. If 1 has become 3, can I say increase of 2 is there? So what would be the percentage increase? It is 2 by 1, because initial is 1, final is 3. So increase of 2 on 1 expressed as percentage. So something is becoming 5 times, increase of 400. Obviously, इसको आप ऐसे देख सकते हैं. If something has become n times, yes guys, observe. If something has become n times, the percentage increase would be n minus 1 into 100 in terms of percentage. Yes. So इसी का थोड़ा सा यूज करेंगे हम in the questions to follow. 2-3 questions करते हैं. चलिए. Though this is easy. Yes, fast. Yes, guys, quick. 120 has become 360. Can I say option C? Don't you think it is 3 times? Yes, साफ तो दिख रहा है. बोलिए. 12 has become 36 3 times. 3 times का मतलब कितना percentage increase होगा? 200. Question done. Nothing to write. It's over. Make sure answer is not first. क्योंकि increase पूछा है. अगर आपने 3 कर दिया तो वो 3 times हुआ है. Percentage increase will be 200. Right? So 12 into 3, 3 times. That's it. Chaliye, next. Keep on asking anything not clear. This is a simple one. This could be interesting. Yes. If 75 becomes 364, what will be the percentage increase? Pariksha says 400. Okay. Very simple question. Just see. If 75, hold on. I think in my opinion, it should be option A. First option. Just see. 75 has become 364. If you multiply 75 with 5, can I say it will become 375? बोलिए. मैंने 5 times कर दिया. Yes, guys, observe, quick. This is what you call as calculations. 75 का टेबल भी आना चाहिए. मतलब आपको नहीं आता, but कोई बात नहीं, मैंने किया हुआ है. So 75 becomes 375. No problem. But make sure that हमने थोड़ा वैदिक मैथ्स भी देखना है निधि. So be there. Okay. So 75 has become 375. Can I say it has become 5 times? और हमें मालूम है that anything if becomes 5 times, there is a percentage increase of 400%. I hope that's perfectly fine, all of you. Yes. अब ध्यान दीजिए क्वेश्चन पे. क्वेश्चन में वैल्यू कितना है? 364. So can I say 375 पर होगा 400. हमारे पास तो उससे कम है. तो can I say हमारा आंसर 400 से कम होगा. So which is the closest answer? Less than 400. Option A. That's your answer. Observe this. No need to take difference and stuff. Direct. 75 becomes 375. कितने का हो गया? Almost 5 times. तो 5 होगा तो 400 है, but हमारे पास 5 से कम है. तो हमारा आंसर 400 से कम होगा. In one line, you got it. Rather, कुछ भी नहीं सॉल्व किया हमने और हमारे आंसर ठीक आ गया. Perfect answer. Right? Let's see what next. Okay, this is, yeah, go ahead. 86 has become 869. Think and tell me. Yeah. Yes, Bhavika, well done. Option A. Because 86 has become 869. Just see. Had it been 860. Yes. So 860 means 10 times. So Nidhi is back. Or didn't go? So we have 860. It would become 10 times. 10 times means it's a percentage increase of 900%. इसमें कोई doubt नहीं है. ये clear है बात बिल्कुल. Now you focus on the actual value. It is more than 860. So can I say your answer is slightly bigger than 900? Which option suits? Definitely first option. No calculations, nothing, simple, sheer common sense. Correct, everyone? Getting it? How we do it? Yes? Bhavika, you did the same approach? Yes? Shivani, Mansi, others, Sagar, who are not replying? Yes, guys. Swati, everyone? You need to reply, please. Yeah. चलिए, good. अब थोड़े different तरीके के करते हैं. Okay, things are changed. Y is too small. Now you tell me how will you handle this? 642 has decreased to 8. What is the percentage decrease? First thing, obviously, since it's a case of decrease, yes guys, listen, since it's a case of decrease, can I say my answer will be definitely negative? So D option तो बाहर हो गई जी, ये तो हो ही नहीं सकती. Confirm. अब बताइए A, B, C में से कौन सी रहेगी? Which one? It should be C, I think, because nothing is to be done. Just see, 642 has become 8. Can I say it's a decrease of 634? Yes, guys. How much it has decreased? 642 has become 8. Means it's a decrease of 634 on 642 expressed as percentage. Sheer common sense. Out of these options, think and tell me, do you need to solve this? Yes or no? Don't you think it's clearly visible that these two values are very, very close to each other? So our answer should be very close to 100, but less than 100. Question is over. It can never be 75. It's very less actually. Because very close values. So no need to solve nothing. Almost same. तो आपका आंसर 100 के बहुत close होगा and less than 100 होगा. This is the best option. That's it. Yes, things are working. Obviously, options are playing the role. Yes, I do agree. Right? Let's have one more. Same kind. Yeah. 348 has become 17. What will be the answer to this? बोलिए, which option? Quick. 2 people have answered option A. Yes, guys, I also agree with you. It's option A. No need to solve. Just see. I request you all to focus. Very different kind of a question, seemingly very difficult. Just do one thing. 348. Can you tell me what would be its 5%? Yes, please. Anyone? Fast. लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, ऐसे ही हो जाना चाहिए. बोलिए. Approx. Decimal नहीं चाहिए. अनमोल, decimal नहीं चाहिए. Just see. 348. What would be its 10%? Can I say 35? Yes. And what should be its 5%? 17.5. Yes or no? Everyone? बोलिए. Yes, अनमोल, मानसी, भाविका. मानसी थोड़ा सा आपका approximation में ज़्यादा हो गया, but I think this is good enough. 348, what would be its 10%? 35. Correct? What would be 5%? Take half of 35, 17.5. Yes? अब observe करो. Can I say approximate हुआ क्या कि आपने इसी नंबर का, मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनिएगा, इसी नंबर का आपने यहां पे लिख दिया 5%. Yes or no? तो अगर आपने इसी नंबर का यहां 5% लिख दिया, don't you think it has actually decreased by 95%? बोलिए, yes or no? Think. अगर कोई वैल्यू, जस्ट इमेजिन, अगर कोई वैल्यू 5% रह गई तो कैन आई से वो 95% से कम हो गई? ऑब्वियसली, बोलो यस एवरीवन, एग्रीड और नॉट? अगर कोई वैल्यू 5% रह गई, then don't you think it has decreased by 95%? That's your answer. No need to solve, कुछ नहीं करने की जरूरत, सिर्फ ये देखो कि अगर कोई वैल्यू 5% रह गई तो 95 से कम हो गई. हम ये भी बोल सकते हैं कि अगर कोई वैल्यू 20% रह गई, it has become 20%. Don't you think it means it has decreased by 80%? Yes or no? Just imagine. यही तो बात हो रही है. वही बात आ गई फिर से कि अगर आपको डिस्काउंट मिला किसी शॉप पर 20%, तो क्या ना इसे 80% will be charged from you? Yes or no? Same approach, same concept. Yes, guys, everybody got it? 348 has become 17. Yes, it has become 5%, which means it's a case of 95% decrease. So now I'll just go through some things, go through that, then we'll start Vedic maths in another 2 minutes. Some Vedic maths also will do, okay? So यहाँ से मैं आपको थोड़ी information दे देता हूँ. Why Bullseye? Just go through that. Yes. So it's situated in city beautiful Chandigarh, established in 98. You can see all that, and we have taught 2+ lakh students, 50+ trainers, and practice questions का तो कोई count ही नहीं है. 1 lakh+ questions है, and it's a fact. Yes. So what will be the course features for which you can obviously go ahead with? Recorded concept videos रहेंगे, all India based national test series मिलेगी. We are all senior people with 15+ years of experience. I have 22 years almost, and interactive live lectures. Fine, Mansi, good. So nothing to worry. Interactive live lectures, and we are in a live lecture, and you all can interact with me. I can listen to you, you can listen to me, so things are working, no problem, right? And full length mock test also. Telegram discussion group is there, जिसमें आप अपने doubts ले सकते हैं, discussion कर सकते हैं, and classes are online till everything gets settled down. This is the URL. You can just take a screenshot of this slide, or you can just note it down. You want to have any discussion with our counselor or get contacted by you, you can just fill the form there with your details, and things will be with you guys, right? And obviously, if anyone want to talk to me in detail as well, that can also be done. Aap form mein bhar do, no problem. Yes, so you can talk to me as well, no worries on that. Just remember this very important URL. इस पे आप अपना information डाल दीजिए, everything will be sorted, right? I can show you some results. Ananya 99.82 percentile, so fantastic job. Shreyas almost there again, 97.71. Then you have Praneeth 98.41. Some recent very good results of the CAT people only. Athikra got 98.41. Then obviously you can be next as well, in line, yes. But effort karna hoga. Please understand, effort means sincere effort. ठीक, चलिए. Let's have some Vedic maths to start with. Now, basically what we'll be going ahead with is a little bit of squaring. Right, squaring a number is what you call as Vedic maths to start with. तो हम क्या करते हैं, मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूं. Square a number हम करेंगे with the help of a base, and I am taking base 100. Base 100 का मतलब क्या है? We'll find the squares of the numbers which are lying close to this value. Close in the sense, for finding the squares, I request you all to just go through this. That could be, yes. If you know the squares from 1 to 30, just observe this, okay? if you know the squares from 1 to 30, you can easily find the squares from 70 to 130, which means base से 30 कम और base से 30 ज़्यादा. Obviously, if you learn from 1 to 40, yes guys, important. If you learn from 1 to 40, this range increases from 60 to 140. I hope by now it's clear that more you learn, more beneficial it would be. But for the time being, हम 1 से 30 तक की ही बात करेंगे. So उसी के accordingly हम काम करेंगे. So to start with, how things work, just see, I'm taking numbers which are less than 100. Please observe guys, just 1 minute. I want to find 98 square. Can I say, yes guys, everyone, what is 100 square? Yes, what is 100 square? Everybody lost? Itni der? Probably you were counting the number of zeros. 10,000. Importantly, it has 5 digits. Yes. So 10,000 has 5 digits, but any number less than 10,000, can I say will have obviously 4 digits? Yes or no? So हम क्या करेंगे? हम blanks लगाते हैं 4 जिन्हें हमें भरना है. We are going ahead with 4 blanks. Now you need to remember something. वो ये है कि यहाँ एक line लगती है. Now please remember, to the right hand side of this line, छोटा सा एक concept है. To the right hand side of this line, please remember, number of blanks would always be equal to number of zeros in the base. कोई fight नहीं है. Just remember a very little small thing. Yes. So number of blanks. कितने blanks हैं हमारे केस में? 2. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारा base कौन सा है? 100, जिस पे हमने ये solve करना है. So we have 2 blanks. Now we can start a very simple question. Just see, what is the difference of this number from the base? I'm solving the first one. बाकी आप निकालेंगे. Okay. Yes. What is the difference of this number from the base? Can I say 2? And one more thing. When you say difference, please understand, difference means bigger number minus smaller. तो 98 में से 100 माइनस कीजिए या 100 में से 98, एक ही बात है. Difference 2. अब इस difference का square कीजिए. Yes. What is the square of 2? Yes, please. Square of 2. 4. So write that on the extreme right digits, but it's just 4. So you will be writing it as 04. Blank खाली नहीं छोड़ना है. 04. अब एक चीज और करेंगे बहुत ही छोटी सी. Just subtract the difference, yes, from the number whose square is required. Subtract करो ये difference. कितना difference है? 2. किस में से? जिसका square चाहिए. किसका square चाहिए? 98. So just do this thing. 98 minus 2. How much is that? 96. उसको आप लिख दो left blanks में. That's your answer. So what is the square of 98? It is 9604. Is it clear what we did? ये कोई इतनी लंबी चौड़ी स्टोरी नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. It's a 10 seconds question. Yes, पहला काम क्या किया? एक blank लग गया, blank लगा दिए, line लग गई. line का significance मैंने आपको बता दिया. To the right hand side of this line, number of blanks will be equal to number of zeros in the base. Base कितना है? 100. तो right side में 2 blank आ गए. उसके बाद पहला step, find the difference of the number from the base, which is 2. उसका square कर दिया, वो हो गया 4. That is 04. अब आपने क्या करना है? Just subtract the difference from the number whose square is required. So 98 minus 2 gives you 96. On the same lines, give me the answer for 91 into 91. Yes, first of all, is this clear to all? Yes? Yes, everyone. मैं इरेज कर रहा हूं. चलिए 98 square we have done. It is 9604. Perfect. इसका आंसर everybody well done, great. 8281. Things are fast. क्या किया हमने? Mentally हो रहा है ये. Difference 9. 9 square 81. So 91 minus 982. And next one. Yes. What is 88 into 88? Mansi has done it. Well done. Yes, I'll be taking you 10 minutes more. कुछ चीजें सीख रहे हैं तो अच्छे से सीख जाएंगे. Yeah. 88 square. It is 7744. Yes, Chetan, well done. I'll solve this. थोड़ा सा different question है, but overall you've done a great job. Well done. Yes, guys, tell me, in this case, what is the difference? 88 के केस में 12. Exactly. What is square of 12? Square of 12? 144. बिल्कुल. अब आपने छोटा सा इसमें काम क्या करना है? You will write 44 and 1 would be the carry. Correct? अब लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में वही काम करना है जो पहले किया था. So 88 नंबर है, डिफरेंस कितना है? 12. सब्ट्रैक्ट कीजिए. व्हाट इज 88 minus 12? 76. कैरी कितना है? 1. Please make sure the only thing to be remembered here is that carry is always to be added. Carry will never be subtracted. So 76 plus 1, that gives you 77. That's your answer. Correct? All of you did a good job. Some of you, I think 1 or 2 students got it wrong, but all in all, correct. अब इसमें एक छोटी सी आपको इंटरेस्टिंग ऑब्जर्वेशन मैं शेयर कर रहा हूं. दिस इज क्वेश्चन इज डन, आंसर आ गया है. कुछ ऑब्जर्व करो. जस्ट सी द डिजिट्स. कैन आई से ये सेम डिजिट्स है? 88 88. और जो इसका स्क्वायर है उसके भी डिजिट्स सेम है. सो जस्ट रिमेंबर, इफ यू कैन, दैट दिस नंबर 7744 is the only square, yes, whose first 2 digits are same. आप देख सकते हैं. Also its last 2, you can say second 2 नहीं, last 2 are also same. yes or no? कुछ observations share कर रहा हूं. 7744 is the only square, only, whose first 2 digits are same, whose last 2 digits are also same. Yes, and is the square of a number which has both digits also same. How about this? Yes, guys, tell me something. ये कैसा रहा observation? This is something interesting. 7744 is the only square, only perfect square जिसके पहले 2 डिजिट भी सेम हैं, बाद वाले 2 डिजिट भी सेम हैं, और जिसका ये स्क्वायर है वो भी दोनों डिजिट सेम है. There is no other square which satisfies this particular condition. चलिए कुछ आगे बढ़ते हैं. Yeah, next. इसी का okay, practice. Yeah, let's see. Fast. अच्छा काम करेंगे, don't worry. We learn a lot. Quick. Yep. 87 square, guys. 7569. Yes. 84 square is 7056. बहुत बढ़िया, good. 81 is 87. 4. Yes. So, what is the difference? First case, difference कितना है? 13. 13 square 169. कैरी कितना है? 1. करेक्ट. उसके बाद 87 minus 13 करेंगे. How much is that? 74. बोलिए. And carry will be added. That's it. So this will become 75. I hope it's clear to all. आंसर तो आपका मतलब ठीक ही निकल रहा है. 81 का स्क्वायर क्या आ रहा है? यस, 81 स्क्वायर 6561. बहुत बढ़िया. 96 का 96. यस, 9216. वेरी गुड. एंड 92 8464. बहुत ही बढ़िया. प्लीज चेक. Any you want to discuss? I'll definitely go ahead with. Yeah. I hope Nidhi all okay. Everyone. Yes. Approach. Very simple question. सिर्फ आप उसको ऐसा आने चाहिए. जैसे 87 में 13 का स्क्वायर, 84 के लिए 14 स्क्वायर, which is 84 is okay. Just see. Yes, 84 means difference कितना है? Difference, शिवानी, difference 16. 16 बेस 100 है. Got it? तो 16 का स्क्वायर करेंगे, that is 256. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है? 56. कैरी कितना होगा? 2. अब क्या करना है? 84 में से आप 16 माइनस करेंगे, which is equal to 68. कैरी 2 है, वो आप ऐड कर देंगे, that becomes 70. Yes, I hope it's clear. चलिए, so some practice. Okay. अब उसी को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. अब हमने नंबर ले लिए which are more than 100. The only change is that you will not subtract the difference in this case, you will add the difference. ठीक. चलिए, go ahead, quick. Same logic. All the answers. This should be 10609. Please check. This is 11664. Getting it? Chetan, third nikalo. First two correct. Good. Obviously, if you have numbers more than 100, can I say the answer is more than 10,000? Perfect. Well done. So are we comfortable in these? Yes, tell me. Yes, guys, honestly, everyone. एक करना है, मैं कर देता हूँ. बोलो, ये कर लेते हैं, तीसरा कर लेते हैं. Yes, yes, Nidhi, what is the problem? Go ahead. The only single approach is being followed. Just see, in this case, we have 5 blanks. Yes, I'm solving the third one. Yes. Tell me the difference कितना है? What is the difference in this case? No problem. Practice तो हो जाएगा. कितना difference है? 13. 13 का स्क्वायर करेंगे. How much is that? 169. So carry is 1. What next? 113. I've told you, if the number is more than 100, we'll not subtract the difference, we'll add the difference. So इसमें plus 13 करेंगे. How much is that? 126. And I've told you, carry is always to be added. So it becomes 1, 2, 7, 6, 9. Right, everyone? So, good practice. Okay. Yes. Go for these 5 quick. इसके बाद एक slide और, and that will be done. Yeah. I'll take 5 more minutes. All answers. I can write it down. It should be 1, 1, 4, 4, 9. This is 10404. Please check. And 119 is 14161. 124 is 15376. 116 is 13456. लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Yes, Chetan got all correct, I think. Yes, Mansi, Nidhi. How was it? These 5 answers. बहुत बढ़िया. Good. Same approach, same logic. The only thing could be 24 square, which is 576. That could be slightly, you can say, tougher in terms of calculations. So वो याद हो जाएगा, no worries. What is 19 square? 361. That's it. बाकी तो कुछ था ही नहीं. कोई नहीं. Given you the task. चलिए. Just one more thing I like to teach you guys. ये आप रहने दो. एक minute. Yes, let's do this. Squaring a number ending with 5. इसका approach क्या होता है? छोटी सी चीज है. Will take 1 minute. Suppose you have this number A5. आपने इसका square करना है. First of all, remember that any number ending in 5 would always have its square ending on 25. What is the approach? Just you need to multiply this number A, whatever it is, with its successor. Successor means A plus 1. Successor means the next number, and attach 25. Is it clear? Take this number A, whatever is that, multiply it with its successor, which is A plus 1, right? And attach 25. So, for example, 75 square. What is to be done? Yes, very simple. क्या करेंगे? बोलिए. Squaring a number ending with 5. Yes. Can I say 7 will be multiplied with? बोलिए 8. How much is that? 56. And attach 25. That's your answer. Nobody replying? Jaldi, quick. Yes. So this is done. What about next? 85. It is 7225. Bilkul. Perfect. What is the answer for 125? It is 12 into 13. So that should give you 15625. Correct? Remember this very interesting and small little thing. Squaring a number ending with 5. कोई भी नंबर 5 पे एंड होगा तो उसका स्क्वायर के एंड में 25 आएगा, पहली बात. फिर उसके बाद आपने क्या करना है? जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई दिस नंबर A, whatever it is, with its successor. Successor means next number. So A into A plus 1. So 7 into 8 gives you 56. तो पहले का आंसर हो गया 5625. Second is 7225 and third is 15625. Right, guys? So I hope you enjoyed the session, but just see, I like to share an information. Yeah, these are the phone numbers you can definitely call. and get things sorted. In case of any queries you have, you can always contact at these phone numbers. I hope you enjoyed the session. Yes, everyone. कुछ चीजें छोटी छोटी हमने सीखी, DI कैसे होता है, क्या क्या नहीं करना है, क्या क्या करना है, plus a part of Vedic mathematics, how to square and how to find the squares of numbers ending with 5. So, okay, then that's it, guys. Thank you. Okay, thanks a lot, everyone. निधि, आप सेक्टर 8 के नंबर पे कॉल करके बता दीजिए, फिर आपकी मेरी बात हो जाएगी. No problem. Yes, Nidhi, for sure, no problem. Right? Take a screenshot of this slide, everyone, please, so that you have all the numbers in front of you. You can discuss anything, anytime at your preferred place. Okay? Okay, guys, thanks a lot. Thank you.